Hey guys, just a quick video on a, a cookie recipe as we're coming into season. We're in December, Christmas time, and a good time to spend with the family and create some cookies or as gifts, all sorts of things. And this is our friend Gordon Ramsay, who brought us an easy recipe to work with. And again, I want to keep this short for you. Okay, so we're creating cookies, basically a sugar cookie. Okay, and your ingredients is unsalted butter. You have sugar, egg, all-purpose flour. You get a pumpkin pie spice that I explained a video on. Beautiful, beautiful flavors. And then you have your decorations. Okay, that you can do. You can actually buy different colors and stuff to decorate and different sprinkles and all that stuff. But there's your ingredient list for 20 to 24. And basically, you're going to cream your butter and sugar together. Okay. You're going to sift your flour and spice together. Okay. Gather your mixture together. Okay. And then you're going to work in your egg. Okay. Your egg's beaten, remember. And everything's together. You just knead it in. And then you're going to wrap it in a plastic. Okay, your oven temperature is going to be 350 degrees. You want to wrap your dough in plastic and chill it. Okay, you want to chill it for at least 30 minutes. And your oven's going to be 350 degrees. Okay, and your bake time is going to be about 10 to 15 minutes. All depends on your temperature. You're going to get your cookie cutters ready, and you're going to roll it out on a floured surface, a quarter to 3/8 inch. Okay, and that's pretty much it. You're gonna throw it on your baking pan with use a spray, or you can use a little bit of lard, or you can use parchment paper, and then decorate. Okay, guys, you end up having fun. So there's your party cookie recipe. Very simple. Another picture. Again, this is from the Gordon Ramsay book that I enjoy reading. Gordon Ramsay's Makes It Easy. Okay. And how easy was that recipe? All the kids will love these. Okay. All right, guys. Party cookies. There we go. Enjoy. Have fun. Thank you.